This is my co-host. She's tiny. See, we have a small budget on this show, and this is all we could afford.
You know, it was a big deal for artists like me to get to be on the Mike Douglas show. It was a very well done show. I thought he was a great host. I really respected how he did it. I think he's one of the greats of all time.
But Mama used to tell all us little kids to go out in the field and hunt a rock. And so she would pick the cleanest, smoothest rock, something similar.
Something like that, huh?
Yeah, like that. And so what she'd do, we'd wash it up and she'd put it in the kettle, and then we'd just start putting whatever we had in the kettle. It turned out pretty much like a vegetable soup, but it tastes so much better with that rock in it.
It was the show to do, and he was such a nice man, always treated the guests with respect, and he was fun to be around.
Bottom of that made it sound
Well,
like
here goes the diet.
that's low calorie too.
That's great.
It's good for you.
First approach is